We've had some questions regarding accessing the virtual library. So here's a quick how-to. You're going to go into our website first, westcoastsweat.com. And on our website, you will see a menu at the top of the page. You're going to click on the first option that says virtual library. This will take you to the login page. Now, if this is your first time accessing the virtual library, you will have to register. So click on register, and then you're going to enter your information. You'll create a username, enter your name, email address, and create a password. Now, just to clarify, this is a different login that you're creating from the one that you already have with Mindbody that you log into the app or log on here on the website to register for class. So this is specifically a login that you're creating for the virtual library. So once you've entered your information, you're going to click register. When you hit register, it's going to send it to us and we'll approve your access to the library. Now give us at least 24 hours to get in there and approve your registration. So once you've done that and you've given the 24 hours, go on to our website, again, westcoastsweat.com, and then click on virtual library to log in. You're going to enter your username that you created or the email. You can log in with either of the two. So it's totally your choice, and your password that you selected. Click login and you are in. So here is our virtual library. As you can see, if you start scrolling down, you'll see a lot of classes. We've loaded up a variety of classes here for you. So to make it easier to kind of go through these classes and select the one that you want, there is a menu at the top of the page where you can select the type of class that you're looking for. So I am looking for hot Pilates class to practice today. So I'm going to click hot Pilates, and there you go. Now I have a variety of different hot Pilates classes that I can choose from. Choose your class and you are ready to go.